Pakistani expert has said that Japan's nuclear wastewater dumping poses a serious threat to the marine environment and affects the moral values of responsible environmental management shared by humanity.
I do not agree that you can dump anything into sea. As a concept, it is wrong. As a moral values or the academic values, we have been teaching all along our kids in schools, universities, colleges, general public, sea is not a dump yard. It is easy to dump, but how we will estimate that what is the impact, I think science is yet to discover that level of technology or to read or to assess, to carry out research that the actual impact has been created or not.
According to the experts, the global interest is that the oceans should be preserved for future generations, but dumping nuclear wastewater near the Fukushima coast could lead to far-reaching consequences.
The impact may be very large because of the ocean current moves all around the Japanese island. So if anything is dumping close to the Fukushima coast, the water currents will take it all around the Japanese coast. That means it will impact the Pacific island, other nations.